welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a bracelet with cord and other accessories. This bracelet is very trendy. So now we are going to make this trendy bracelet. Things we need: a black cord, glass bead multicolor, elastic cord. Basically this is called elastic cord. You can take black also. So wooden bead, bell ring, squirrels, little squirrel. You can take any accessories for your bracelet. Crab hook, chain, jump ring. Let's make this bracelet. First, we'll take this cord and put all the wooden beads here. Do like this. I am using here wooden beads. You can use anything you want. I am knotting between two beads. Do same like this. This is basically the down part. We have two layers of this bracelet, so I do the first one. Now the part for second one. We are using plastic white cord. We put the glass bead. So I am using multicolor glass bead. You can use solid or one color or two color of glass bead. And done. Now set it. Now we are going to set the head with hook. Like this for secure the head. This measurement is selective. Whichever your measurement is, you can take it. I secure the both part of this, both side of this. Now I will attach a crab hook and chain with jump ring. like this. Now this is totally ready to wear. You can wear it anywhere, in party, in college, and whenever you wanted to go, you can. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and press the bell button for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys.